Hello, good morning. Welcome back.
Are you ready?
Welcome back.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. How about you? Are you?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so just so you know, this is going to be a very brief interview. So I hope you will just maximize all the chances I give to you. Okay. Okay. So or you may not know, my name is Igwe Patient. So and I'll be interviewing you for this session. So,
Okay.
can you please give us a brief introduction about yourself and the incubation of MetaWork?
Uh, Hey everyone. I am Saksham. I am a Web3 builder. I'm a product manager by profession and a full stack developer for last 7 years. Um, so for last 7 years, I've been very much involved into the startup, and I've been building products. So why I started MetaWork was because I realized in the Web3 ecosystem there are people who were looking for opportunities of work, and we wanted to connect them with the projects that are looking for talent. This was the start of MetaWork, and we started with a Telegram group. The group expanded to Discord, and now on Discord we have more than 1,000 members. We have a following of 1,500 Twitter, and we are also building a product. So that is MetaWork.
Okay, so does that mean MetaWork is not your first product?
Sorry.
You say you've been building products, so is Metaverse is does that mean MetaWork is not your first product?
MetaWork is not my first product.
Okay.
I have built products in past,
Okay.
and but since being the builder, you are always experimenting a lot on the things.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
none of the product out there was as a very intentionally made to uh, go out and scale it. But when I'm building MetaWork from the very beginning, I wanted it to scale on the community side first. And since we have scaled out on community, now it made sense to have a product to help people.
Okay. Okay. So if that is the case, how is a MetaWork different from other DAOs? How is it different?
So I believe the notion of DAO is to bring people together. And there are so many DAOs like Developer DAO, even Seed Club that have been an inspiration when MetaWork we started or whatever we do at MetaWork. So to be honest, we don't see competing with DAOs. We see collaborating with other DAOs, first of all. But to just also give you an idea how we might be different from some of the DAOs out there, is that it's not just a community. We are building a powerful tool or a product on top of that community. So just like Discord allow us our community to have a communication, we are building a platform that will allow the community for collaboration. And that platform will not be just open for Metaverse DAO, it will be open for any DAO out there.
Okay, so by collaboration, what do you mean by collaboration? What kind of work do you expect by a
Yeah.
collaboration?
So when I see there are people, thousands of people coming together under one umbrella we call DAO, and these people are geographically not limited. They are not limited by gender. They are not limited by race. Okay, so they need tools where they can collaborate. Okay, so that is the need. But how are we solving this problem? So what are the collaboration tools we have used in Web2? We have used Notion, we have used Google Documents, we have used Trello. Okay, but in Web3, we need to have a very different kind of a platform. Okay, so we are building a notion of Web3, but in a very different sense that people can come over here and connect with their wallet first. Whatever they collaborate on, talks, tasks, they get rewarded for the collaboration in the terms of NFTs, in the terms of crypto payments, all sorts of things.
Okay, that's nice. Who can participate in the MetaWork, and how can the person participate?
How, sorry?
I asked who can participate in MetaWork. Is there a category of people that are only expected, maybe the developers or so? So who are the kind of people that you're expecting to join MetaWork, and how can they contribute to MetaWork?
Anyone can come and join MetaWork.
Okay.
MetaWork now, or the platform itself, is about finding work and finding people to work with in the space. And I believe everyone, be an NFT artist, a developer, or a community manager, anyone in the space is looking to find similar kind of a people and collaborate with them. So you can join MetaWork to find any sort of person here. We go and promote everyone. Okay, not just developer or just NFT artist, but everyone out there. Similarly, you can use the platform to discover people either who complement your skills or who have the similar skills like you to collaborate with.
Okay, so
You
we
can
can say
drop them.
okay, so we
Yeah,
can say that it's more like a professional ground where you come to find people with professional skills.
yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
ideally, the platform is built around work and profession. So where you are finding people who are related to similar kind of work you do.
Okay, so can we say that MetaWork is different from some other products in the sense that it is basically for work, why some other products, like, let me give example, like layer 3 maybe for
Mm-hmm.
teaching, basically like teaching
Mm-hmm.
about how to sculpture in web3, why MetaWork is basically for getting work, learning about different work protocols and all that.
So layer 3 has a what I know about layer 3 is there's a bounty platform where projects can go at their bounties, people can go and participate in talk. Metaverse will allow that to happen for the platform and the community as well, but that's a subset of what the entire stack of product or feature we have. So that is the only one of the things that person can do on the platform. Other things that they can do is create documents on our platform and invite people to collaborate on those documents. People can create tasks and invite people to participate in those tasks with them. Okay, they can launch projects on our platform. Okay.
Okay, so I also want to ask, okay, my next question is this. What is the future of MetaWork? Or do you think they have any plans for creating a product or governance token or something?
The future of MetaWork, I would say, when we achieve a certain adoption. Our goal is to bring in 1 million people on the MetaWork platform and allow the collaboration between them where they grow ideas, build DAOs, and lead impact on the world. When this happen, I think then we will achieve one of the goals that MetaWork intended to have. Apart from that, the community that we have, it's a complete DAO. So it's a decentralized autonomous organization. Another feature of MetaWork is that we are planning to host a lot of meetups around the world. We are looking forward to have student chapters. We looking to have people who can just come together and collaborate on the space.
Okay. Okay. So okay. So you say you are looking to have. Are you looking forward to having like sessions, or should I say sub sessions on MetaWork that give room for students or
Hmm.
internships and all that?
Yeah, yeah. So MetaWork also have two communities, which is Women's of Web3 and two campus program, which is for the students. So when we partner with so many projects, we
That's
bring these
they are
opportunities.
currently running at the moment.
They are currently running on the
Okay.
community, and so when we partner with lot of projects, then they can come and we bring those opportunities directly to women and students. That's the one thing. But we are also building a product where students can mark themselves, validate themselves as students so that internships can directly reach out to them. Even women can mark themselves as women so that companies who are hiring for women, they can directly reach out to the women members of the community.
Okay. Okay. So um okay. In addition to what you just answered, is there any laid down marketing strategy for that already?
Yeah,
Okay.
we do have. So we are actually trying to bring in those projects to use the metaverse platform, and we are collaborating with many DAOs where we can market our communities together and try to add value to the ecosystem.
Okay. So who are the core collaborators of MetaWork at the moment?
At the moment, we are collaborated with a video conferencing tool called Huddle. We are collaborated with communities like Super Team DAO, who are again one of the talent networking community on Solana. We
Yeah.
are collaborated with Polygon ecosystem DAO. We are in the process of collaborating with Tezos India for their Indian activities.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so this is going to be my last question and the suspicion of all. So, so I the question here is in a world where there are lots of competitions, how does MetaWork stand out, and why should one choose MetaWork instead of going for other DAOs? I hope you understand my question. There are lots
Yeah,
of
yeah.
DAOs and competitions around. So how do you stand out?
I always see there will be certain projects out there who are exactly doing what we are doing. So I have always been a believer that idea is never a unique, execution is unique. So we believe we have a very unique execution, and that will lead us to the frontier of the entire vision we have planned out. And even if there are projects who are doing in a similar domain, we still have a mission. We are not competing with them. We are competing with a mission. We are competing with a
I like
goal.
that.
We are trying to fix that.
Okay, okay, yeah. I must say I'm really impressed with the goal and with the last statement you said that you are not competing with them. And the truth is that actually on this space, in this blockchain space, in as much as we have competition, but everyone has their own goals. Every project has its own goals, and community, like they say, is the key to thriving on this space. So I think you really did well. So should I say? Do you have any question for me?
Nothing in particular.
Okay, okay. So I guess this is it for this interview. This is your 6 questions being answered. You've answered your. I just gave you 6 questions, which you put me through now, and that is it.
Very
So
nice event. I really like the way you pull it up. Okay, so that is exactly the way we need to do it. But I believe one thing you need to focus a lot is that while this other person is answering, you need to write it down, the key things, so that you remember it later exactly what to put it in a thread. So you should be multitasking. You should be asking questions, having a conversation, and then writing it down also. The views of the other person. Because let's assume we just had a conversation right now, and you will remember it for next 30 minutes, but after 30 minutes, you will start missing out the key terms I used.
that's
So
true.
that's very important to.
Okay, so let me shock you a bit. Like in my country, we say let me shock you. Like if I want to surprise the person, you say let me shock you. Okay, so what if
Yes, yeah.
what if I had to record it?
That's amazing actually. Instead of doing this, what you can do, you rather record it. And how long we are doing this? I guess we did it for 15 minutes only, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
15
you
minutes.
record it and you create a thread afterward. I think that's an amazing idea you have.
Yeah.
So interview should only go forward for 15 or 30 minutes, and then you create threads out of it.
Okay. So
I think that's really.
sorry, I didn't tell you, but I recorded it.
You recorded it. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So I'm looking forward to see what you create out of this thread.
Okay, no
Let's do it
problem.
then.
Okay.